Good morning, students. In today NTSC class, we will study the topic alphanumeric series. Now, what are alphanumeric series, or what is the meaning of alphanumeric series? It is a series in which alphabets as well as digits are involved. For example, in this series ZIA, X2D, V6G, T21J, so on. Here we have alphabets also as well as digits also. So these alphabets and digits, they make a series that is called alphanumeric series. And in this series we have some common patterns, we have some common methods, we have learned some common sequential concepts in between them. So that is why it is called an alphanumeric series, in which alphabets and digits, they are correlated with each other with certain formulae or with certain patterns. Now we will discuss some examples of alphanumeric series. Now if we see on the board, we have taken 3 examples and we are now going to solve our first example regarding find the next term of the series ZIA, X2D, V6G, T21J, R88M, and what will be the next term of this series. Now what I will do, I will make the different blocks of the series. For example, by taking the first term of each block of the series, I like in the to write in this way: Z, X, V, then T, thereafter J is the single block, so I will not write here. After T I will write R, then I will write next, that is 1, then 2, then 6, thereafter 21, 88. These are numeric digits and they form a certain pattern of a series or a sequence. Thereafter, third one, A, B, 6, J, N. A, B, G, J, N. Now, in each block, I will find out what will be the next alphabet or numeric digit. Then I will arrange it as first, second, third, fourth term, and that will give me the answer. Now if we see carefully, it is in descending order. From Z we come to X, from X we comes to V, then V to R, then T to R. In this way there is some gaps between them, and these gaps are of 2 alphabets. For example, from X to Z there is a difference of 1 digit, that is of Y only here. So here it is a difference of 1 alphabet. Then between X and V, we have a difference of 1, that is W is not here in between. Thereafter, between T and V, we are missing with U. Here U is missing. Then between R and T, here S is missing. So these crossed I have because they are not in the series. From Z we have X, from X we have V, from V we have T, from T we have R. So what will be the next after R? It will be from R we will go to our next number, it will be P, because here S will be missing. Between P and R, between we have Q, that Q is missing. Then we will come to a proper sequence, that is from Z we will go to X, from X to V, then V to T, then T to R, then from R to P. So it is in descending sequence. That is why we have to be very careful while selecting our alphabets very carefully, because if we miss one, then we will not get the correct answer. Thereafter again we have numeric digits. Here this 1 can be written as, 2 can be written as, 6 can be written as, 21 can be written as, 88 can be written as in some pattern. Now in certain questions sometimes it takes a very long time to find such type of patterns, and sometimes we find it very easy. Here let us see how we will do. 1 can be written as, let us see, 1 into 1 plus 1, that will becomes 2. Okay, so then we will look for 2. What will be the sequence here? 2 into 2 plus 1, that doesn't give any answer. So let us choose 1 into 0. So what we will get? 0 plus 1. So we will again get 1. Next is 2. This 2 can be written as 1 into 1 plus 1. So what it will be? 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Now this 2, I repeat here, 2 into 2 plus 2. What is this one? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now let us come to next number, 6 into 3 plus 3. What is this? 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. What I am going to establish is that these digits are interrelated with each other. 1 is closely related with second, second is related with third, third is related with fourth, and fourth is related with fifth, so that I am able to locate the next number. This 88 will be written as 21 multiplied with 4 plus 4, that is equal to 84 plus 4, 88. So in this way I am able to get a relation of first, second, second, third, third, fourth, fourth, fifth. Now what will be our next number in this way? It will be 88 multiplied with 5 plus 5, that is equal to 445, because 88 into 5 is 440, and 440 plus 5 gives you 445. So we get the next requirement, which is for our next term of the series here. Next is our third block, A, D, G, J, M. Here A and D we are missing with B and C. Here D to G we are missing with E and F. So in this way we find that 2 letters are missing from first to second, then from second to third, from third to fourth. Next is our G, that is from G to J. F is already taken up, so it will be H and I. Then from J to M it will be your K and L. So our next number in this case will be N, O, both missing, and we will get P here. So in this way our term will be equal to P 445, and next number will also be P, this one. So that is our answer. So in this way we will find the next term of our series when all the different terms are closely interrelated with each other, and how they are related, that is the main question of this series, and we will find a proper relationship of these multiple terms of each block which are closely related to each other, and from there we will conclude our answer. Now let us come to our second. In the second example, find the term which doesn't fit in the series given below. Fit means not accepted due to certain mistake in the composition or some pattern is not followed properly. So in the previous example we have made 3 blocks. In this way here we also make 3 blocks. First block, first term of each block G, J, M, P. Next is 4, 10, 20, 43. Then in the third block we will take the last of each term or block T, R, P, N. Now if we see carefully, from G to J, what are missing? H, I, to J, M, it is K and L is missing. From N to P, we have N and O is missing. So here 2, 2, 2. Uniform pattern established, so there is no mistake in the first term of each block. Then we come to second, 4, 10, 20, 43. Now 4, 10, 20, 23, let us see by which formula they are going to connect with each other. This 4 will be written as 4 into 1, simply 4, because it is the first one. We have no other option, or we may write 4 into 1 plus 0, simple. Next 10, this will be written as 4 into 2 plus 2. It is our rough work, so please careful, 10. Now this 20, this will be written as, let us see, is there formula established? 10 into 2. Then what should be here? 0 as our assumptions. Then 43, that is equal to 20 into 2 plus 3. So certain pattern is missing here. What is that pattern? We are starting from 0, then we go direct to 0, then again come back to 0, then again come to 3. So there is no sequence in it. Others are in the sequence if we see carefully. So what should be the concept here? If we see carefully, if we change here 4 into 2 plus, instead of 2 I write 1 here, then 10 into 2 here I write, it will become 9, then it will become 9 into 2, then plus 2, that is equal to 9 to the 18 plus 2, 20 as usual, and here it is 43. Here it is 4. So the mistake somewhere lies between the second concept, that is 10. So here instead of 10 we should have 9. Correct. 1. So instead of 10 we should have 9. So mistake is somewhere 10 in the numeric part. Now we again come to our alphabetical concepts, that is T, R, P, N. See here it is in reverse order, from T to R, R to P, then P to N. If we go from upper to if we go from lower to upper part or from bottom to top, it will be very easy, because from N to P M is missing, from P to R we have Q is missing, and then from R to T our S is missing. So one uniform alphabet is missing from each part, so it is also okay. There is no mistake in here. So only mistake is somewhere this thing 10 and 9. Instead of 10 we should have 9. Therefore J10R is a wrong term here. That is our answer. So we will mark with our red pen that J10R is the wrong term, that is this term doesn't fit in the given series. Next we come to third example, that is find the next term of the series MB4, ND for 8, OF 12 and pH 6. Now see carefully, it is much easier than our second and first example as we have discussed already. Let us see what will be its solution. If we go through it, we will be able to solve it very easy by analyzing what pattern they are adopting with each other. In the first case, MBN, we have M, then B, then 4. Clear? Then we have ND, 8. Clear? O, F, 12, then P, H, 16. Now what I have done, I have write each coefficient or each term of each block of the series. This is first block, this is second block, this is third block, this is fourth block, and each term I have written. Now first one is continuous one, MNOP. So automatically we have assessed that our next term will be simply Q. Then BDFH, there is something missing. What is that missing? From B and D we have C is missing. D to F we have E is missing, and from F and H we have G is missing. So our next term will be after I, it will be J. Because HIJ I have omitted I and get the next one as J. And next is 4, 8, 12, 16, simple. Table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, and 4 fives are 20. So QJ20 is the next term of this series. That is the answer. So we are able to find the answer of this series as QJ20. That is correct answer. Here that is the wrong, which does not fit in the given series in second example. So dear students, today we have learned 3 examples of alphanumeric series, and on the basis of these 3 solved examples we shall be able to solve our assignments. Everything is clear from the board and I have explained to you, and you will be easily assess the pattern how these 3 assignments question will be solved, and I am posting these assignments to you as an exercise in your WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.